We're shifting gears from the playing field to the digital field, because your Windows PC is running out of room and it's killing your performance. Let's attack this like a 2-minute drill. First, we check the score, open File Explorer, hit this PC, look at that C drive bar and see how close you are to the red zone. That's your baseline. Now we bring in the first play, Settings, System, Storage. Tap Temporary Files, let it scan, then clear out temp files and the recycle bin. Flip on Storage Sense so Windows auto-cleans like a good defensive coordinator, constantly clearing junk. Next play, The Veteran, Disk Cleanup. Type it into Start, pick the C drive, let it scan, then check temp files, thumbnails, old downloads, trash the stuff you don't need and hit OK. Time for roster cuts. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Sort by size, look at those heavy programs. If you don't use it, uninstall it, just don't cut a starter by mistake. Then we attack your own files. In File Explorer, check Downloads, Documents, Videos, Desktop. Sort by size, delete the junk, or move big files to an external drive or the cloud. Finally, tighten up the background game, tweak OneDrive Sync so you're not duplicating everything, and cap System Restore Space. Just like that, your PC's got fresh legs and a wide open field.